Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour video, where we'll be discovering the serene beauty of PraiDo Tonel in Portugal. I'm excited to take you on this virtual journey and show you one of the most breathtaking beaches I've ever seen. But before we start, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more incredible travel videos like this one. And please, leave me a comment below with your thoughts on this tour. You can also rent a paddle board or a kayak and explore the coast from a different perspective.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
As you walk along the beach, you'll notice the impressive cliffs that surround PraiDo Tonel. They are a real natural wonder and add to the unique charm of this place. You can climb up to the top of the cliffs for a stunning panoramic view of the entire beach and the surrounding coastline. It's an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe. I also recommend taking a walk along the wooden footpath that runs along the cliffs, offering a different perspective of the beach and its surroundings. You'll see some unique rock formations and several hidden coves that are perfect for a picnic or a relaxing afternoon in the shade. Overall, PraiDo Tonel is a hidden gem in Portugal that's worth visiting. It's a perfect getaway for nature lovers and those looking for a peaceful and relaxing vacation. I hope you enjoyed this virtual walking tour, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments below.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.